Hi guys!
Hi guys, we're gonna do my assignment.
Yeah, science assignment. Get this. So I will read the instruction and you answer it, okay? So draw. Yuna's assignment in science is page 130. So the instruction is draw a line to connect each need of a plant to its correct picture, okay? So I will be the one to say the words and you connect, okay?
But I know already.
Is this easy for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one is air? Slowly. Oy, kay oy. It will be messy. So which one is soil? Oh, so easy. Oy, you for up to here. You're so excited to answer, Yuna. Look, it's so messy. You do it right, Yuna.
Oh, should I erase?
Ay, no. Okay. This one ba? Make it good, Yuna. Make
Like
it
this?
Yeah, straight line. Ay, nako. You're so excited to answer. Which one is water? Which one is sunlight? Wow, so easy.
Mama,
Is it easy?
Mama, this is CD and this is CD. The teacher will give me 100.
Yeah, perfect score. Say bye, guys.
Bye, alligator.
Flying kiss.
Blah, blah, blah.
Flying kiss? Is that a flying
Blah,
kiss?
blah, blah, blah.